For Klyde X, we got a 21-22 Donruss soccer hobby. All right, good luck, Klyde. Here we go. Again, gonna go quickly over the paper and go into the optics. And Ben Roethlisberger. Such a love-hate relationship with him. But as a Steeler fan, you gotta respect him. Empty box. Hey, no shoes. We said we not done yet. All right, Ben, you gonna make me cry. Paper. Got Silver Weghorst. Marvels and Chesney. My soccer knowledge is about as up there with the hockey. Out of 199, Kulusevski. Yeah, no problem. Thanks for hopping in. It's time for Ben to retire. Got Silver Jose Jimenez. Rodriguez Marvels. And Press Proof Gabriel Jesus Marvel. Silver Saka from England. All right, from Argentina, player worn used material kit series of Eric Lamela. Eric Lamela. Silver rated rookie Calvin Stangs. Marvels Calvert-Lewin. Ooh, I see a nice color here for ya. From Italy, Domenico Berardi. Nice gold there. I have not Picho. I have not opened any Leaf Pearl. That's another beautiful product. 8 out of 10. Nice one there. They've got some really cool stuff. Some really nice stuff out of that one. Nice gold there for you, Klyde. Got Silver Tillmans. Marvels of Ter Stegen. And out of 349, Luis Diaz. Oh, yeah, Levi. Absolutely. Absolutely. It's a end of a legacy in Pittsburgh, and I sure hope that they can bring somebody else in to do the same. It ain't Mason Rudolph. It ain't Mason Rudolph. Silver Lewandowski from Poland. Really hope we can trade or get, you know, Aaron Rodgers or Wilson in there. Out of 49, Alessandro Bastoni. Nice one there. Also Italy. A little color match there. I don't know, somebody. Because the draft isn't going to have very many good quarterbacks in it, at least where we're going to be picking. So hopefully they can do some moving around or something during the off season. Silver rated rookie, Swiderski. Marvels, Pizarro. Silver, Leon Goretzka. Petkovic, Marvels. Oh, for sure, Levi. I mean, I'm a Pittsburgh fan. I sure hope not, Recon. All right, we've got the beautiful game from Mexico. Girl Muro Ochoa. Inscribed 13. Ochoa. I don't know. I hope we trade for a vet quarterback because starting fresh with not that great of an O-line, a young wide receiver, young running back. Tyler Adams silver. I don't know about that. Marvels, Ronaldo. Nice Ronaldo there, Klyde. We've got blue from Germany, Florian Niehuas. I butchered that one too. Out of 99. Marvels of Pedri. And last pack here for you. Got silver Hector Herrera from Mexico. Marvels press proof Josh Sargent. And out of 349, nice Ronaldo. 189 out of 349. Press proof Ronaldo. All right, congrats on that, Klyde. Thanks again. We'll be getting these cards right out to you.